Hey, Brian and Aiden from GarageMahal. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Today we have a electric drum set from Vevor. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So this is what you get in the box. So this is your instructions. And that is your drum pad. Feels like 3D. Okay, so that's the box. And you get 2 drumsticks. Sorry, you can take that for me. Alright, put this around here. So that's what the pad looks like. So let's turn that around. And then, oh, these are foot pedals. So since our little guy is on a smaller side, we'll probably just put them on a table for now. But you can use these as foot pedals. So it goes to that pedal. And it has a line out and a line in. So we can put some additional speakers. Okay, so that's what that is for. And then this is your USB power. It doesn't come with a power block, but you can use whatever you have around. And I happen to have a little power block that will plug in here. Are you ready? Because we're adding power. Okay. You've been practicing, right? Okay. We'll plug that in here. And that is your on switch. Okay, and then these are okay, yeah, you can try. Push them. Those are for your feet, but we'll set you up with a smaller stool. And that's your, get that one. Okay, this way you do it. Okay. You ready? Hit the drums. Not with the sticks. These are drumsticks.
This one?
Mm-hmm, yeah, use those.
Oh.
Okay, sorry. Good. So anyway, lots of fun. And then you have a bunch of different control buttons up here. You have a demo, style, record, play. But we found out this is the most fun. Anyway, Brian and Aiden from GarageMahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Ready? I think we found your thing.